shepherd leading us home. Through fields of grace, we're never alone. In every heartache, joy, and tear, His gentle hand is always near. Morning light breaks a song anew. With faith, we'll see each day through. The path may twist, our feet may stray, but His love is the steady way.